Come Monday, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC will be rolling out 2 new bus routes connecting St. Thomas to Kingston. The new routes, 701 and 702, aim to address long-standing transportation challenges faced by residents of St. Thomas.
It's JUTC's privilege to serve St. Thomas in this capacity. Today we are here creating new cards because the residents don't normally use the service. So we are here because with the card, it's cheaper. So if you have a card coming to Yalas, you would pay $100. If you don't have a card, you pay $200.
I am elated because coming from Kingston in the evening, transportation sometimes it is very hard. So I am very, very, very grateful.
I live in Yalas and I feel really good knowing that the bus coming to St. Thomas because sometimes you're downtown and they five you up in the bus and it's comfortable going in the JUTC. I feel good. I never knew I would live to see this day when JUTC out St. Thomas.